So today we're going to make some tropical chicken. Now the ingredients that you're going to need are 3 pounds of boneless chicken, half a teaspoon of lemon pepper seasoning, 1 15 1/4 ounce can of pineapple chunks, 1 cup of apricot nectar, 2 tablespoons of quick cooking tapioca, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and at the end you're going to have steamed rice with 1/4 cup of flaked coconut. Let's get started. So the first thing that I did is I took the slow cooker liner and I put it in the crock pot just to make it much easier to clean up. Now, what you're going to need is you're going to need this 3 pounds of chicken, so I need to cut this. Okay, so you're just going to open it like this. Okay, so now I'm going to take this chicken and I'm going to put it on the cutting board. Okay, that's all good. Now, I'm going to take this seasoning, I'm going to spread it onto the chicken. Now, make sure you get it evenly across all the chicken. So you want it all to be tasty. Okay, so now that you've seasoned the chicken, you're going to add it into the crock pot that is turned off. You don't want it turned on just yet. So make sure it all gets in there. Okay. Now, I'm going to take this and I'm going to wash it. Now we're going to make our tropical mixture. Okay, so first off, we're going to add this pineapple. Then, we're going to add this apricot. Make sure you get it all in there. Next, we add the tapioca. Okay. And then, we add soy sauce. Okay, so now we're going to stir. Get it all nice and mixed together. And then, once it's all mixed together, we're going to add it to our chicken. Okay, that looks good. Out so we can get it in place. Okay, so now we're going to clean up the mess. Put this here, that there, this here, and then soy sauce will go in there. Put that there. Okay, now you want to put a lid on your crock pot and then you turn it to low heat for about 7.5 hours. Okay, so it's been about 7.5 hours, so the chicken should be about done. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the rice and the coconut to get ready to add to the chicken. Now, while I'm preparing this, I'm going to turn the oven on to 350. Okay, so now, to make the rice, well, you could make it on the stove, but I'm going to make it in the microwave just to be a bit faster about this. I'm going to add about a cup of rice. And then you put the lid on, and you put it in the microwave for 5 minutes. Okay, now we're going to take about half this bag of coconut and we're going to put it in this pan and then put it in the oven. Now make sure you get it all nice and evenly spread out. Okay, now we're going to take this and we're going to put it in the oven until it is lightly browned. So everything's done. Now all we have to do is assemble the meal. Okay, so first off, we're gonna add some rice. Then we're gonna go to the chicken. Look at how good that looks. Wonderful. Some pineapples. And then, finally, we're gonna get coconut. We're gonna sprinkle that on. So that is how you make tropical chicken.